Speaking Part 3 for PET exam. What do I have to do? In this part, you talk to your partner, not the examiner. The examiner will describe a situation to you. You have to discuss the possibilities and reach a decision. You should be able to make suggestions, agree, and disagree. The examiner will give you a sheet of paper with some pictures to help you. You will hear the instructions twice. This part will take about 2 to 3 minutes. How do I do it? Make sure you understand what you have to do. Check with the examiner if you're not sure. Take turns to talk about each picture with your partner. Listen to what your partner says and agree or disagree with it. Make sure you talk about all the pictures on the sheet. And don't forget to ask your partner questions. Try not to reach a decision too quickly. You need to show the examiner that you can make suggestions, agree and disagree. Also, there are some phrases that you can use to make suggestions, to ask your partner's opinion, or to react to your partner's opinion. Here are the examples. What about? I think this would be good because I'm not sure about. That's a good idea, but what do you think about? Let's see if you got it. Please answer the questions underneath. Thank you. Now, I hope you have a better understanding of what Speaking Part 3 of PET exam is. Thank you.